The Nissan GTR has always been a legend, and the upcoming 2026 Nissan GTR looks ready to remind everyone why it earned the nickname Godzilla in the first place. From the moment you see it, the design feels familiar but clearly evolved.
Nissan isn't throwing away what made the GTR iconic, instead, they're sharpening it.
The 2026 model is expected to feature a more aggressive front end, slimmer LED headlights, a wider stance, and cleaner aerodynamic lines that make the car look faster even when it's standing still. It still has that unmistakable GTR presence, but now it feels more modern, more refined, and more purposeful than ever. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. The 2026 GTR is expected to continue with a powerful twin-turbo V6, but with noticeable improvements in performance, response, and efficiency. Nissan has been focusing on refining power delivery rather than just chasing numbers, so expect stronger acceleration, smoother shifts, and better overall balance. There are also strong rumors of mild hybrid assistance, helping with quicker launches and improved fuel efficiency without taking away the raw GTR experience. It's still brutal, still fast, but smarter and more controlled than previous generations. Step inside, and the changes become even more obvious. One of the biggest criticisms of older GTR models was the interior feeling outdated, and Nissan seems determined to fix that for 2026. Expect a fully updated cabin with a larger digital display, modern infotainment, improved graphics, and a cleaner dashboard layout. Materials are expected to feel more premium, with better seats, upgraded trim, and more attention to comfort without losing the driver-focused feel. It's still a performance car at heart, but now it finally matches the competition when it comes to tech and interior quality. When it comes to features, the 2026 GTR is likely to include updated driver assistance systems, improved driving modes, and smarter performance electronics that help the car feel confident on both the road and the track. Everything is designed to enhance the driving experience, not dull it. Nissan knows GTR fans want engagement, sound, and emotion, and that's clearly still the priority. Pricing is expected to go up compared to older models, which honestly isn't a surprise. With the updates in design, technology, and performance, the 2026 Nissan GTR will likely start higher than the previous generation, placing it firmly in the modern supercar conversation. But compared to rivals, the GTR still aims to deliver insane performance for the money, just like it always has. Compared to past models, the 2026 GTR feels like the most complete version yet. It keeps the raw performance and aggressive attitude that made it legendary, while finally bringing the design, interior, and technology up to modern standards. It's not just an update, it's a refinement of everything the GTR stands for. If Nissan gets this right, the 2026 GTR won't just honor its legacy, it'll prove that Godzilla still belongs at the top.